Gagawa tayo ng sweet potato cake. Tinatawag na hakwe. Ayan. Sugar, 300, white sugar, 300 plus red sugar. Red sugar is 100. So, ayan guys. Sabi ni Lola, right o as forget lagi.
Yeah.
Ganito nga guys. Hindi ko na naipakita yung pag ano kasi na busy ng kangaw-ngaw sa live. At ganito nga yung mix na yung sweet potato, 1 kilo, 200. Yun ang free music.
Pas.
100 plus.
Campur, okay.
Now,
No.
sugar, 1 teaspoon. Okay, 1 teaspoon. 1 peck of yeast.
I want to put this one.
Then, put salt. Wait lang. Tignan natin yung salt, guys. Aga-aga lang. Aga-aga. Okay. 1 teaspoon. Half teaspoon. Then, doon aga-aga. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Few minutes later. Let it rest. Wait few minutes later. Ayan. Nakita nyo, guys? Nagkaka-bubbles na. Ay, ganito pala gumanang yeast. Makita na yan, guys.
Oh. How many yeast? One packet only, no?
And then, now mix to the sweet potato. Come here. Yan. The supervisor, inspector, is here. Taro powder. You got the side.
Belum juga sini.
To the
Di sini nak dicuci dia tangan dah.
No.
No, alam di sini.
Okay, I wash my hand.
Because I supposed to have later.
Tiap, ha. Put.
Of course. Okay. Ganito guys, oh, ayan. Hanggang ma-mix lahat ha. Wait lang. Few minutes later.
We put the yeast.
This one. Ay, Ayan, tumaas na. Ganito nga nangyayari. Doon sa loob na. Wala na. Tignan natin dito. Bakit?